Our today's topic is contra entry and some adjustment entry in fact accounting software. Contra entry means banking transactions, means the transaction between bank and cash. No other ledgers are here, only cash ledger and bank ledger. So some examples of contra entries like cash deposited to the bank or cash withdrawn from bank or bank transfer. These are the examples of contra entries. Today we will enter some transactions about contra entries and some adjustment entries like depreciation or outstanding salary. Okay, let's start how to enter these transactions. At first, withdrawn cash from SBI for office use. This branch and department details. This fact software. So a transaction is withdrawn cash. Okay. From here, go to entry, then vouchers, then select one debit credit. Okay. Don't select any other vouchers. Only select one debit credit. Okay. Then click add. For contra entry, always select payment. Don't select receipt. Always select payment. Whatever this transaction is, deposit or withdrawn or transfer, but you have to select payment option for all of these transactions, means contrary transactions. You have to select payment only. Then use tab, then put any voucher number, suppose 10. Put any date for it, suppose the date is 20/01/08. Okay. Now the GL account. What is the GL account? General account for contra entry, contrary like cash deposited, cash withdrawn and cash transfer bank to bank. Okay. For these transactions, the GL account is same. GL account is contra account. Select contra here. Click on this magnifying icon, or you can use F1 from your keyboard to search this particular ledger from this ledger list. Select contra account. Okay, now bank cash and two bank cash. There are two options here, bank cash and two bank cash. This is the withdrawn entry. Withdraw entry. So there are two ledgers, cash and SBI. Bank cash. Which ledger is selected for this option? Who paid the amount? For contra entry, select the ledger in the first line. Who paid the amount? For this cash withdrawn, SBI, I mean bank paid the amount. Withdrawn cash, you withdrawn a cash amount from your company bank account, so bank is the giver. Who paid the amount? Bank. So select bank here. Okay. Two bank cash paid to whom? Paid to whom? It means cash. Cash is a receiver, so giver and receiver. So this is the process to enter this type of transactions. This is withdrawn entry, withdrawn contra entry. So who paid the cash? Bank. So select bank account at the first line, and paid to whom? Paid to cash account. So select cash account in second line. You can put any narration here. You can put any check number also here, any 6-digit check number. Put the amount here. Amount is 8,000. Okay. Use tab and select the doc class. The doc class is one second. Yeah. Now the doc class is Kolkata branch, purchase payment and North Kolkata. Select here. Click the magnifying icon. Kolkata branch, purchase department and North Kolkata. Select three of these branch and department details. Press tab. This is the process of contra entry. Save it. Okay. Use escape to close this box. Then the next entry is outstanding salary is paid for rupees 4,000. Okay, outstanding salary paid rupees 4,000. Create a ledger for this. You can create this ledger in online process also. Go to entry, voucher receipt payment, 1 debit credit. Add, there is a payment, outstanding salary paid, so this is payment entry. Select payment here and put any voucher number. Suppose voucher number is 11. Date, put any date for it. Suppose date is 23/03. GL account. What is the GL account here? GL account, you have to create a new GL account for this outstanding salary. This is the ledger. What is the ledger name is? Ledger name is outstanding salary. So you have to create this outstanding salary. Outstanding salary under which group? Under which part of this account? It is under liabilities. Okay, in the balance sheet we maintain this outstanding salary balance here in the final account, balance sheet, liability side. So this is balance sheet ledger. Check the last number of this balance sheet. Last ledger code is B13. So the new number is B14. Use tab. GL account does not exist. Add new. Yes, we want to add a new GL account. Outstanding salary. Okay, click balance sheet to access the balance sheet. So put the new number is here. In here you put the new number, then type the ledger name in the description box and select the balance sheet. Then click save. Then use tab and the bank or cash ledger. This is, there are no bank accounts, so it is cash. Use F1 or click magnifying icon from there. Select cash account. Okay, and put the amount here. So this is the process. Now, how to enter this outstanding salary entry in this accounting software. Doc class is here. Is Kolkata branch percentage event and North Kolkata. Okay, same to same. Kolkata branch, purchase department and North Kolkata. Select it and click OK. Doc class. Click this magnifying icon and select particular doc classes here. Okay, then save it. Use tab and save it. Press escape to close this dialog box. Then the cash deposit. Okay, in the same way, voucher receipt payment in 1 debit credit. Add, I told you before, you have to select payment always for contra entry vouchers. Then select voucher number. So voucher number is 12. Date is suppose 10/05/08. Okay, and the GL account is whatever it is, cash deposit, cash transfer, bank transfer, cash withdrawn, whatever. GL account is always same for all contra entry in this fax accounting software. So GL account is contra account. Use F1 or select or click a magnifying icon for searching this contra account from the list. Yes. Okay, now the bank cash and to bank cash. It is cash deposited to the SBI bank. Okay, who is the giver? Cash is the giver and receiver is SBI. So who paid the amount? Cash paid the one. I mean cash ledger paid the amount to bank. To whom? To bank. So select cash here. The amount giver select here. Okay, and to whom? Cash deposit, cash in hand, the ledger paid the amount to bank. To whom? To bank. So select State Bank of India here. Okay, then the amount is 5,000. Okay, and select the doc class here. Doc class is suppose Howrah branch, purchase department and North Kolkata. Sorry, not Kolkata, is Kolkata. Howrah branch, purchase payment, and North Kolkata. Okay, click here. Okay, then use tab. Okay, these are details of contra account, cash deposit account. It is contra account of cash deposit account. Okay, now the entries of depreciation. Depreciation entry. Go to entry. Now we have to use a different way. From entry, then a voucher, then go to, sorry, this is not voucher, don't select one debit credit, go to entry, then journal. For depreciation, don't go here. Okay, there are no options, there are no voucher types for depreciations. This is adjustment entry, so select journals and then ledger. For adjustment entry, select entry menu, then journals, then ledger. Click here. Click add, and voucher number is 13 is the voucher number. Then put the date. Date is, let's date 30 and 6. Okay, 30 June is the date. GL code. GL code is plant, building, furniture. So select this asset ledger here. At first, plant. Is it? Yes, is it? It is. Plant. Select plant. Okay. Then dock class. Dock class is Kolkata branch first demand, not Kolkata. Okay, same to same. Click OK. Okay. The amount. What is the journal entry here? Depreciation account debit to fixed asset. Okay. Depreciation account debit to fixed asset. So fixed asset amount is comes under credit side, and the depreciation, the ledger, comes under debit side. Right? Depreciation account debit to fixed asset. So the fixed asset amount is credit amount. So use tab to move this blue box to debit amount to credit amount. Use tab. Now you have to calculate the amount. Put the amount here. It is 10%, but 10% charge on which amount? Check the balance sheet. This balance sheet, and the amount is planned is 1,20,000. So you have to calculate. You have to charge 10% depreciation on plant and machinery. 1,20,000. How to use online calculator? Use Shift plus F1. Okay, I will take again. Shift plus F1. Shift and F1. Use these two switch both. Shift F1. This is calculator, online calculator. Now type the amount. Amount is 1,25,000. Right? 1,25,000 into 10 divided by 100 is equals to, it is the amount. Okay, now you have to put this amount to here. How to put this amount? Use the escape switch. Use the escape switch once. Don't use escape twice. Use a single escape. Then select this amount and press enter. The amount is here. Then use tab and type the ledger name, because there are no ledger name. How can you recognize which fixed asset is this? Just type the name. Plant. Okay, use tab. Then press enter for next line. Next line, it is building 15%. Okay, building 15%. What is the amount of building? It is 5. It is 50,000, not 5. It is 50,000. Yes, it is 50,000. So put the amount is here. At first select building account, means building ledger. Then the same doc class, select the same doc class, Kolkata branch, purchase payment and North Kolkata. Select, click OK. Then tab the debit amount. This is not debit amount, this is credit amount comes in here. Okay, just type 0 for it. This is not debit amount. You have to calculate the ledger amount, I mean fixed asset ledger amount to in the credit side. So put 0 is here, then use tab, it is 0. Okay, now the amount is 50,000 and the percentage of depreciation is 50%, 15%. Okay, now use shift F1 for calculator, type the main amount 50,000. Okay, then into 15 divided by 100, click equals to this amount. Use escape switch one time, then select this amount, then press enter to enter this, then use tab and type the ledger name, building. Okay, press enter for next line. Next line is furniture and the depreciation percentage is 5%. Okay, now use F1 or select magnifying glass to select furniture fixed asset ledger. Use tab, then select same branch and department Kolkata purchase and North Kolkata, click OK. Use tab, then same like previous method, type 0 is type 0 here, then use tab. Okay, now shift F1 for online calculator and type the amount is 28,000. Total amount is 28,000 into 5% into 5 divided by 100 equals to this amount. Okay, 5%. Use escape a single time, then select this amount and press enter. Okay, now use tab and type the fixed asset ledger name, it is furniture, press enter. Now at the last you have to select or create depreciation ledger. Is there any depreciation ledger? No, there are no depreciation ledger. So you have to create the depreciation ledger. Depreciation ledger comes under profit loss or depreciation. Profit loss or balance sheet. Depreciation ledger is profit loss ledger. Okay, it is a profit loss. It is a ledger who comes under profit loss, but the calculation is charged on the balance sheet with the fixed asset. Is that depreciation? The amount of depreciation, the depreciation amount is subtract from fixed asset ledger amount. It is subtract from fixed asset ledger account, but itself the depreciation ledger amount, the depreciation ledger amount is comes under profit loss account. Okay, so you have to create this profit loss depreciation ledger under profit loss. What is the last code number of profit loss? It is P11. So P12 is the new name. The new code for depreciation ledger. Use tab. This GL account not don't exist. Add new. Yes, we want to add. Okay, and select profit loss here. Okay, then save. The amount is calculated automatically and now it is correct. Automatic calculation is now correct. Now you can accept it. Don't use 0 here. Okay, use tab and type the ledger name, depreciation. Okay, now save it. Oh, you have to select branch also here. Okay, now save it. So students, this is the depreciation ledger. This is a depreciation entry. So students, today we'll discuss about this adjustment entries, consist of contra entries and some contra entries and adjustment entries. Contra entries means cash deposit and cash withdrawn entries, and adjustment entry like outstanding salary and depreciation entries. So today's class is over. Thank you.